Hey YouTube, today we're going to talk about a few products and the brand is called Muscle Feast right there. So a couple of the supplements and they're all in powdered form, and also I pretty much finished them or pretty much halfway or 3/4 of the way done with it. So hopefully these are good reviews on the product. So the first one I'm going to go over with is creatine. So for creatine, it pretty much keeps your water retained, and if you want to push out a few extra reps in your exercise, the creatine helps give you that little bit of energy. It's not like your pre-workout, like it's going to make you, all caffeinated and, jittery and all that stuff. And all you have to do is take one scoop. So let me get this right out of here. Just like one scoop, once a day. That's all you really need. You can also get creatine from your meats as well. But just as a, easy, quick drink, I would recommend this. And as you can see right on the bottom, hopefully, it has a flavor of blue ice pop. I was about to say blue raspberry. Kind of similar. And they have other flavors that you can choose from. I think like grape and fruit punch and watermelon. I don't know if I'm missing anything else. But yeah, I would say I'd recommend the creatine as one. It tastes good and that's pretty much it. It does the job. So on to the next one. You have, before that falls. Okay, so on to the next one. You have Hydrate. Same thing, blue ice pop. All this really does is give you your electrolytes and pretty much keep you hydrated, like just flavors your water, I guess you would say. So you can also flavor your water with other things like Mio and other powders and whatnot. But if you want to just pour this in a good gallon or half-gallon thing of water and drink that throughout the day, it tastes good and keeps you hydrated. So you're good for your workouts. So also recommend the Hydrate, and it has good flavor. Now on to the next one, BCAAs. I would say pretty good. I pretty much drink it just because it gave my water flavor, so you don't really need to get Hydrate and BCAA. So you could probably just get one or the other, but the difference is the BCAA has, I think it was like 66 milligrams of caffeine. So if you're pretty weak to caffeine and don't want to drink it like at nighttime or after a certain time in the day, drink the Hydrate because it doesn't have any caffeine in it, and it'll, just have your water to have flavor. So BCAA is good, gives you flavored water and a couple milligrams of caffeine. So recommend that one. Now on to the next one. You have Carboline, right there. So for Carboline, it's pretty good. I would say the thing is pretty much just have it on like before your workout and after. So choose one or the other because it's pretty heavy on the carbs. But other than that, it seems to do good when I was doing like leg day. It gave me, the extra calories I needed, the carbs I needed to push more harder because legs, you definitely want to have fuel for your body. And when you mix it with your water, it seemed to be smooth. It wasn't like clumpy or anything. Now, on to my last one. You have, I don't even know how to say it, Glycodextrin. Hopefully that's right there. So pretty much same thing, more than like halfway through it. Me personally, I'm not a big fan because when you shake this, it gets pretty clumpy in your water. So when you're about to drink it, it's pretty clumpy. It's not smooth. So I don't think I would get it again. Like, I guess, yes, it does help you have a little bit more energy so you're not feeling fatigued as soon compared to like not having it. But I don't know. That's all up to you to choose to buy it or not. This is just a review. I don't really like clumpy powders. I'd rather it be smooth when I shake a cup. And that's pretty much it. I have a couple powders I still have to try by Muscle Feast. So stay tuned whenever I'm done with those, or at least like halfway through them, so I don't give like a bad review or a bad response. because I want to feel, trustworthy, comfortable with saying, hey, try this, or don't try it, or just my personal response. So hopefully this review might have helped you out and you have a good brand to go towards. I'll say the brand is good with ingredients, very trustworthy. When you look at anything on the, let's say, the nutrition facts or the ingredients, you have a very small list. You're not going to have like a paragraph or an essay of ingredients. So the shorter the list, the more, better it is, I'd say, compared to having like an essay of things that you don't even know what they are in the ingredients. So when you do look for certain powders, try to check your ingredients list so you're more aware of what you are putting into your body. Other than that, hopefully this helped you guys out. Like I said, this is just my opinion, a review, and I'm not a nutritionist or anything, so take these when, you look it up on yourself online, make sure you're good to take it, ask your physician or doctor. So other than that, I'm going to say that's it for this video. Dylan signing out, and see you guys next time.